Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and another update on the cow Rolex. A lot of work has been done, and there's still quite some work to do. In the meantime, we've sourced a bracelet, original Rolex, exactly the right period, exactly the right model. The case polished with a new crystal. We decided to leave the case back as is because of the symmetry, because of the dial will be visible that it's been well, abused for some time. All parts too much affected by rust, and as predicted, all the carbon steel parts, well, they are rusted and we cannot use them anymore, but plenty of parts we can use, amazingly enough. Here the main plate, the rotor, there are some plates for different modules, balance wheel, it is getting there. And then we sourced many parts that are brand spanking new. So with pick and choose we can make an authentic, all original Rolex, and with all the parts being saved by restoration. And then the face of the watch, and that is quite a bit of work, which is here the dial. Because the dial was so damaged by rust and stuff, there is no contrast. Everything is a bit dull, and of course the discoloration, we'll leave it at that, because that is the discoloration of the varnish, and you lose the identity if you meddle with that. But the indexes, there, only 3 I've already done. That one, that one, that one. And you just see the glistening with the naked eye. There's a lot of difference. But there you can see those 3, I think, yeah, if I play with light like this, then you can see a bit of contrast, and when I will be finished with all of them, it will be nice. And what I've done is I use a bit of pegwood, not to make any scratches in the metal, although the metal is already pitted by rust and horribleness. And what I like to do is use a tiny bit of isopropyl alcohol, because the alcohol will evaporate but makes the wood a bit more abrasive without scratching. But it is maybe due to the degreasing element. Just a tiny bit of isopropyl alcohol, and then gently, gently, gently over the indexes. And then there is a leather file, just a piece of chamois on a piece of wood. But you can see it if you just use the tip, and it will gently, because the leather has got a bit of an abrasive action as well, and then you are, well, polishing the indexes, so you get a bit of glistening like these 3. So of course it will be visible on the dial that eaten by a cow and then 50 years in an English field, but with a bit more contrast it is getting so much nicer. Delicate task, because there is only one dial like this. It is a piece unique, but we're getting there. So a bit more contrast, and it's going to be so nice. We will be presenting the watch in 6 weeks to the Steele family with the team. We're going to England, and yeah, so a lot of work to do, but we are getting there, and I am convinced that the watch will be running perfectly. It will all be original, and because that is important, it will be authentic. So all of you, thank you so much for your kind words in the comments. Please let them come. I read every single comment myself, and well, maybe next step is the assembly of the movement with all the other parts. And yeah, pretty soon a running watch. Well, we get excited about the idea. I really do hope you get excited as well. Hope